Some parents suing the Lee County School District for requiring students to wear masks to school. They're claiming the policy violates their kids' constitutional rights. Hi, I'm Patrick Nolan.
And I'm Jane Monreal. Fox 4's Rob Manch spoke with their attorney today to learn more about the argument. He's live now outside the school district office with how they say a mask policy violates the Constitution. Rob?
Well, the Florida Constitution guarantees every student a free and uniform public education. And that word uniform is important. It means equal, so no student can have an advantage over any other student. Well, the parents in this lawsuit say e-learning is not equal to learning in person, and forcing any student to have to choose that option is unconstitutional. We spoke with one of the parents in the lawsuit, Daniela Dye, when she was out protesting the school district's mask policy back in July.
We have consulted with our pediatrician and our doctor, two different doctors on two different occasions, to find out what's best for our family. So we've made an educated decision, and the decision should be left to the family themselves.
Her attorney, Patrick Leduc, says every one of the 4 families he represents has a child that's e-learning because they can't wear a mask for 7 to 8 hours a day. He says that violates Florida's uniformity clause and may even violate federal law as well.
E-learning is not a uniform system of education. In fact, e-learning is separate and unequal. E-learning violates Brown versus Board of Education. It says that separate but equal is inherently unequal.
I also spoke with a constitutional scholar at FGCU about the case. Professor Pamela C. says uniformity isn't the only constitutional requirement for a school district.
That safe environment is also one of the things required under the Constitution of the state of Florida. So providing that safe environment is why they are mandating the mask.
C says she thinks the lawsuit will likely fail in court, but Leduc says they're pushing ahead because he also wants to make a point about checking government overreach, even in an emergency.
This lawsuit's about empowering parents to make decisions for their children because parents know their children and love their children more than the school board does.
Well, I also reached out to the school district, but it says it doesn't comment on any pending litigation. Meanwhile, there's no timeline for when this case is going to be heard by a judge, and it could be quite a while, with the courts backed up with cases right now. In Lee County, Rob Manch, Fox 4, in your corner.